Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Roman Reigns, believe that.
Oh my god, watch out, Roman Reigns with the Superman punch! Okay, for Roman Reigns, see this is way easier. See, I always told that I am a righty, so I make from left to right, okay? I make my drawings from left to right. But this drawing, of course, I made the entire, the borders, right from his knuckles to this huge shoulders, and then the face, the hair. Okay, do not touch the hair. I always say hair comes dead last. But this particular drawing, once we're done making the borders for this particular part, see, it might look complicated that he has this complex what do you call, texture of tattoos. No, it's actually quite easy. See, look at this lower half. I didn't even bother. I just shaded it. See this part. It's not very complicated. All you make this one line, and then the second line, the line keeps following up. See, you can see where the borders are coming in this particular part. Look at this. It's quite easy. So once we're done with the tattoos, then we move on to the face. You make the face, you make the eyes, make the beard, and then you make this his jacket. And this is the continuation of his tattoo. Trust me, it's easy. It's like mandala drawing. If you think that making this tattoo is hard, no, it's quite easy. It's like mandala drawing. All you have to do is follow a pattern, and it keeps on repeating. So after that, you make the face, and then you make this his jacket, his vest, and finally you make the beard, and then at the dead last you make the hair. And that was the tip for the day for Roman Reigns. Hope you had a great time.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Salute to you, thumbs downs. Just show me some love, subscribe, and put your thoughts in the comments. Okay, do it.